Do you have kids? Do you have that problem where you take them to the park and they're running and running and running and you're like, what the hell is going on? Where is this energy coming from? Oh my God! 1 hour go by, they're still running. 2 hours go by, they're sprinting. 3 hours go by, they're flying. And you're there exhausted as hell? Are you wondering what solutions are there for that type of situation? Well, you came to the right place. And make him or her do this. Make him run for hours. Up for the speed. Make him run on a 7 or an 8. On 5 minutes, he or she will be exhausted as hell. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Unstoppable. No machine is too big. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah. Sleeping time at 7 p.m. No longer at 11 p.m. Keep going. Faster, boy. Come on, don't you stop. Don't you stop. No candy if you stop.
No more.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? You gonna stop running?
Yes.